Okay, I got a couple. Oh, I got a couple little bonus questions here for you because some of these are worded a little differently that might be on there, and I wanted to give you some like this. So, if you see it says evaluate f of x equals and gives you something crazy, that just means that solve that, or that's the same thing as y equals. And if it says solve for x equals -2, that just means plug that in there. So it means you got -3 times -2 squared plus 4. Well, again, that's going to be -2 times -2. So that's going to be -3 times 4 plus 4. Well, -3 times 4 is going to be -12. And -12 plus 4 is going to be -8. So that would be your answer, would be -8. Now, they may give you one like this. It says find the slope and the y-intercept of the line. You cannot find the slope or the y-intercept of the line unless you turn it into y equals mx plus b. Then it's right there for you. So I need to move my x. So I need to subtract 16x. So subtract 16x because I need to get y over here. So it leaves me with 4y equals. Remember, write it to where the x comes first. All right, so now I need to divide everything by 4 to get rid of that off of there. So divide by 4, divide by 4. That means y equals -16 divided by 4 is going to be -4x. And then 64 divided by 4 is going to be 16. So it's going to be -16. So now the slope is -4, and then the y-intercept is -16. So you must change those around. Now, this one is just like a combining like terms, but they like to throw you off. But they're going to give you a figure and say, what's the perimeter of it? And they're going to give you things that aren't just numbers. So in order to get the perimeter, you just add all the sides up, right? So you're going to say 4x plus 4x plus 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4. So if you add all of these up, you add up all of your x's just like you would combining like terms. And then you add up all of your numbers. So the numbers is going to be plus 8. And then we have 4x, and 4x is 8x, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the perimeter of this is 14x plus 8. Now, I messed up and didn't give you a perfect square. I'm sorry. It was a test generator. On your one that looked like this, I want to give you another one. Again, you just pull out the perfect squares. So the perfect square of 121 is 11. And the perfect square of 169 is 13. So your answer is 13 over 11. I hope these videos have helped. If you need any help, let me know.